everyone, you're welcome to Tips and Tricks with Praiz. So today we are going to be doing something really sharp and simple, nothing much. As you can see, we have zippers right here on our table, and you might have a clue of what we want to do, or maybe not. Well, I bet you don't have a clue, but this is one information you don't know you need, but you actually do need it. So I'm going to be showing you how to finish your zipper. You know, some of us are very professional in cutting our zips while we are making our dresses, and we just cut it and just leave it like that. And when our client complains that, oh, the zip came off, what happened? We will say, no, I bought an original zip, whereas you skipped a very important process of finishing your zip while you are cutting your zip. I know sometimes our zip can be so long for what we need them from. Maybe we need a 12-inch zip, but you know, it's just recently that some actually short zippers like 12-inch populated our local market. Right here in Nigeria, we didn't have a 12-inch zip, so we end up buying a 18-inch zipper or 20-inch zipper or 24-inch zipper just to be able to use a 12-inch zipper. How very sad that can be. Well, so while we were still under that dispensation, I came up with a very easy hack to finish my zipper properly. And guys, as I do the hack, even if I go to the market, I don't find a 12-inch zipper or a 10-inch zipper, I just buy whatever I see on the market and use it. So now the first thing you want to do is that probably I just need maybe like a 12 zipper inch from this zipper, and this is like a 24-inch. I just want to cut, and I'm like, okay, let me just cut. I finished sewing down my zipper, let me just cut it and leave it like that. No, maybe you shouldn't try leaving it like that. Do this instead. After getting your 12-inch, for instance, this might be my 12-inch minus my zipper tape, of course. This might be my 12-inch I need, or let's say, yeah, let's use a 12-inch, right? This is a 12-inch. Just mark it out with your biro. Just go down by probably 1 more inch down. Can go down by 1 more inch. By 1 more inch, right? Hope you are following. Now, what you can do is just cut over that 1 more inch. Cut your zip. Normally, you want to leave your zipper like this, but I've discovered over time that you just might ruin your zipper if you leave it like this. So what I do is that I trim out the zipper teeth from this place up to that 1 more inch that I've done. Trim out the zipper teeth like this. Now fold this and cut off this zipper. Okay, now we have something like this with 2 legs like this. Just go ahead and bring it in like this. Bring one leg in, bring this other leg in like this. Okay, bring it in across each other like this. Bring it in like this. So just go ahead on your sewing machine and begin to sew slowly, and you're going to be sewing across the zip like a little triangle. Turn over like this, tuck in that rough edge. Finish up. It's very important to pay very close attention how this is done, so that to give you very clean finishing and it would stay fixed while you're trying to zip down. Now I'm just going to cut my thread. So guys, this is it. You see, you can make yours way neater than this when you're working on yours. For guys, this is a professional way you can finish your zip, and it won't look very tacky after you're done working. Look, it's very strong. It won't rip off no matter how much you push it. This my zip is quite terrible, guys. You have no idea, but you know, I think it served the purpose of the tutorial, and I'm just showing you how strong this can be. No matter what, this will never rip off. Never. No matter how much it's forced, it will rip off. And this is cute. I'm just going to show you another zipper. We're going to run through the tutorial with another invisible zipper. So you see it works with any type of zipper, but it might not necessarily work for some complicated zippers like stone zippers. Those zippers are in a world of their own. So for zippers that have that can easily pass through your needle, or zippers that your needle can easily pass through, it is very okay for use. Now I'm just going to still fold just the same way, just repeat the same process, and it's even easier with an invisible zipper because of course the zipper fit is very thin. So just go ahead and sew your zipper, tucking all the whole rough edges so that you have a very neat finishing. Even though you feel like nobody is looking at your zipper, guys, there are some little details you pay attention while you're sewing, just to have that professional touch, to have that rest of mind that yes, you've done a good job. I'm going to rip off the excess thread, and you can see it is pretty neat, nothing serious. You can do this in seconds, and yeah, you can see very strong as well. Your zip can never rip off. So I know that all those times you buy really long zip and you want to just use it for short things, you don't have to worry about cutting. This doesn't seem like you're wasting your zip, because after all, you are finishing the end like they would do when you buy the zip in the first place. See, super strong, super strong. Make sure you check while you are done to be sure that there is a stopper. The stopper thread is holding the zip in place. But however, if you follow this method, there is no way you would sew your zip and it would not stop at that point. So guys, this is it. It's super neat. I really like this particular one's finishing, and yours can be better. Please, when you try this tutorial, please kindly let us know. This is what we have done today. We have done this zipper. You see, as big as this teeth is, our needle was able to climb through it, so as the smaller zipper. So however, this might not work for all zippers, but just give it a try. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down in the comment section. Thank you guys, I love you so much. I hope to see you next time. Bye guys, love you.